what you're going to do is when he says cha-cha, you're going to take a step forward. Go ahead, do it. Take a step forward. Step back. Pop, pop. Step forward. Step back. Pop, pop.
Good job, guys.
That's cha-cha.
Cha-cha.
Turn it out. Make it this. Make it this. What?
Oh my.
Okay, and then when he says Charlie Brown, take a step forward and back, and you're going to hop like this.
Good job, you guys.
Just watch us, okay? Follow what we're
Focus.
gonna do.
Just follow what they do. Okay, Bella?
Ready, guys?
Ready, Bella?
And then watch us.
Ready?
This is something new. The Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band. And this time, we're gonna get funky.
Woo! Oh, Auntie knows this song. Wow, that must mean it's an old song. All right, clap. Clap, Belle. There you go. Clap. Clap, 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 clap.
All right, now,
Woo!
we're gonna take a step.
Ready?
To the
Pay
left.
attention. Look, to the left.
Take it back now, y'all.
Back.
One hop this time.
Follow them in front of you. There you go.
Let's start. Left foot, let's start. Cha-cha, real smooth.